here. So as I mentioned in this equation, you saw that we have the response or the sales time series. So we need that data, and then marketing factors. Okay, so this is the sales data. Okay, so as a first step in the data prep, usually we do the modeling at the week level, not at the day level. We'll have to do the aggregation. Okay, so let's always plot the data to see if thing looks all right. Okay, so moving on to the media data. I'm reading the Facebook data here. Here, the data is at a very granular level: customer type, campaign, ad set name. So in this case, I'm going to use a customer segment as the modeling dimension because it has a fewer number of levels. Okay? And also my sales is actually broken down at the customer type level. And this is the format that Robin accepts. Okay, finally, I'm just writing this to my Google Drive so that I can read them in the Robin. Okay, let me open the Robin console. So far with the data prep and the EDA part, first as a first step, we'll have to define the model configuration. Then dependent variable, which is our response variable. In this case, we are modeling the first time sales. Mentioned we do the ad stocking first and then saturation on top of it. So there are two parameters with that. One is called alpha and another one is called gamma. So these two are applied in conjunction. The first one, alpha, determines the shape of the response curve. And then there's something called gamma that controls when the inflection happens or when the saturation happens. Finally, I'm defining the training size, the percentage of data that need to be used for the training so that Robin has this information, which is going to build the model. So once we just run this part, we get all these files exported into your local directory. Let's quickly look at some of these plots. I think this is at a very high level I want to discuss in today's class.